Dajito doesn't have. Louis doesn't have too. We both have. Say it again, the word.
PHO THAI.
Quota. You will be laughing, Bree, if you know what's the meaning of that in Ilonggo.
Kanina ngayo ka, no?
Very, very
Ay,
childish.
skibot lang ako kanina.
Ano?
We all have to.
Be honest, Bill, be honest. Is it small or big?
Last time I checked, I don't have a vagina. I don't know what you're
Oh,
talking about.
that's what that is?
What else do we have?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so on the menu, when it says PHO THAI
This
or
is
whatever.
Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's like a it's a.
That's why
And I don't think it's spelled the same.
that's why when your Dajito was starting the vlog, he was laughing and me too.
Okay.
Here, you need this.
No, see, I was saying the female, something to do with the female body, but
Why did
I
you
was
say-
100% sure, and I just didn't want to look like a huge pervert, so I
Why did
wasn't
you
gonna
think?
say.
Why did you think breast? Like, we all have breasts. Last time I checked, we all
I don't
have.
know.
Hambal ya breast, yeah.
Also, don't say that. I don't want to look like a
Thank
huge
you.